Morning, everybody. It's Friday, December the 31st. Grandson Mo's with me again today. We're over at one of our favorite places to hike, which is Elk Knob State Park, which is, I don't know, 10 or 15 miles from Boone, North Carolina. And just going to hike up to the summit of Elk Knob. So y'all come along with us. Let's get started. Okay, Mo and me have come up 1 mile on the trail. And this is the only overlook till you get to the summit. And if you can see straight out that way, that peak there, that's actually the name of it, the peak. If you go over here, oh, way out there is Mount Rogers in Virginia. Over to the left is White Top. And then even over here is Pond Mountain, or Rogers Ridge, where North Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia all come together. Y'all have seen me point these all out quite a few times, but man, there's a ton of people out here today, so it's having to wait till the crowds thinned out so I could run my mouth. So we will make our way on up to the top. See you then. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of narration in for the folks come up here behind us. Observation platform on the north view of the summit of Elk Knob. Elevation 5,520 feet. A little bit of cloud cover today, but anyway, Pond Mountain, White Top, Mount Rogers, and the peak. And on a clear day, you can look all the way over and see Pilot Mountain, some 80-some miles away. Okay, we made it down here to the south view. I'm gonna get up on one of these benches so maybe you can see a little better. If it don't waddle over. Yeah, this thing's not too sturdy. Anyway, grandfather right over there. Back over that way's Sugar Mountain condos. Over there's Sugar Mountain. The Roan Highlands are back over in that, yeah, back over that way. I believe that's Snake Mountain, which I don't think you're able to hike up it anymore because it's privately owned, but I see the trail going over there anyway. And that's Mo Mountain. Trying to get some narration in for the next bubble of people get up here. Wasn't too bad down at the parking lot, but a little chilly up here. But for December 31st, it's dang good weather. Mo and me are going off trail. There's so many cotton picking people up here that I'm gonna let my Daniel Boone skills kick in and just follow this old road and go back down off this mountain. And maybe, just maybe, we'll have it to ourselves. If this were a normal Friday, other than it being New Year's Eve, we'd have probably, well, there'd been a good chance we'd have had it all to ourselves. Now right down there, that road, that's Meat Camp Road. And the story goes that Daniel Boone, good old Daniel again, had a meat camp up here, a literal meat camp. Daniel Boone visited Boone, North Carolina quite frequently, and it was not named after Daniel, but it was named after his nephew Nathan Boone. Anyway, this is a different look going down through here. All right, everybody, we are almost back to the parking lot. And man, it is full. We have seen a ton of people today and a ton of dogs. So, well, thank you all for coming along with us. And as always, there's another year in the books, and until next year.